Hindi lang tayo babalik sa status ng right before we, di ba, meron tayong green belt noon na trinoma, and Ayala, and may isa pa. Alabang. Hindi lang babalik yun, magdadagdag pa next year because we're expecting na mas dadami pa yung content next year. And of course, under exploratory stage pa lang, the possibility of even opening up na one screening in the regions simultaneously.
So you're traveling this also to other cities? Meron kayong mga ganun pa? Nabanggit yung parang nagabiyahe na yung mga movies?
Well, right now, parang outreach na ginagawa namin. Ano pa lang, parang pilot pa lang to, parang test ground. Pero may hinahanda kami na very exciting na paraan na almost parang key cities in different parts of the country will be able to view Cinemalaya film simultaneously as
same time, festival. Yes. During the festival.
Yeah, niluluto pa. Will be announcing. This is one of Tony Boy's projects. With his business team kung paano to. Kasi malaking isang gap that we need to address is distribution. Ibig sabihin, pagkatapos ng 2-week festival, masaya tayo, maraming nanood, pero sa totoo lang, kapiranggot yun sa market that we should have in the whole Manila, what else, the whole Philippines, di ba? So at the same time, hindi talaga nakakabawi yung ating filmmakers, no? Masaya tayong manonood, pero sila, they're still left holding the bag. Marami pa lang silang ROI na kailangan i-cover. So we're trying to address that by looking at alternative distribution systems na unconventional din. Let's see if it works. Baka nga makadiscover din tayo ng bagong paraan na ma-reach yung kanyang return ROI na tinatawag.
So Chris, balikan ko lang po yung last issue ng yung in-upload yung mga videos. Ano po nangyari doon?
Well, as you know, talagang pinanindigan namin yon na talagang part talaga yun ng contract. No? Nagkaroon lang ng hindi siguro na communicate sa mga filmmakers na gagawin na yung clause ng contract na yun. So, practically, napaliwanag na sa kanila, nagkaroon ng dialogue at tanggap naman, nakita naman nila sa contract na nandun yun, but tinigilan na lang namin muna hanggang sa makahanap ng mas malinaw, mas effective na paraan to distribute.
Pero sir, wala na po yung mga videos on YouTube na, films.
Bakit? Nakikita nyo ba?
Sir, tanong ko lang po ulit yung reason for the increase of the film grant.
Kasi nagkaroon ng extra budget dahil nga tinisolve yung New Breed tsaka yung director showcase. Isa na lang. So nagkaroon tayo ngayon ng budget na idadagdag. The semi-merge na siya na isang main competition na.
Pero sir, yung proseso like from yung casting and all hanggang sa
ganun pa rin. No, monitored pa rin yan from the beginning. Kasi yun yung specific quality ng Cinemalaya films. Yung monitoring is very important. Doon nagkakaroon ng ibang kalidad talaga yung mga Pilipino. Dahil sa close monitoring with the mentors.
Thank you po.
You have